Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. From Supreme Education School, this is your teacher for class 4. Students, our today's lecture is Grammar and Composition for class 4. Our today's topics are application for fee concession, comprehension paragraph, and creative writing, in which we are going to write a paragraph about a picnic party. So students, we will move to our first topic, that is an application. Students, application is a form to request someone to do something, to request some authority to do something, to have something. What we want in our application, we want an application for fee concession. हमें फ़ीस मुआफ़ी की दरख्वास्त लिखनी है और हम ये दरख्वास्त लिख रहे हैं अपने स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल को. सो वी वुड राइट अवर एप्लीकेशन द प्रिंसिपल कॉमा. स्टूडेंट्स रिमेंबर, start your application from the right side. The second line is your school name, Supreme Education School System, again comma. And in the third line, you will write the city name and full stop. We are addressing to our principal. We will write Madam, comma, and then we will start our application. Most respectfully, comma, I beg to say that my father is a factory worker. His income is very low. He has to support a big family, therefore he can't pay my fee. I am very fond of education. I am an intelligent student and want to continue my studies. Kindly grant me full fee concession. I shall be very thankful to you for this act of kindness. And at the end we will write yours obediently. That should also be written in the right side. After that comma, then your name, your class, your section, your ID, and on the left side you will write the date of when you are writing the application. So students, this is your application. Write it neatly. Don't forget to put the commas and full stops at the right places, and mention your date and day before writing your application. Now we will move to our next exercise, that is comprehension paragraph. Students, to solve a comprehension paragraph, you should read the paragraph carefully. Then you will be able to find out the answers of the given questions. Our comprehension paragraph is: Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born in Makkah. His father's name was Abdullah. His grandfather brought him up. He married Hazrat Khadija radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu when he was 25 years old. When he was 40 years of age, he said, I am a prophet. Listen to my words carefully. God is one. Worship him. This is the paragraph. Now we will move to our question answers. Our first question is, where was Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam born? Nabi Pak sallallahu alaihi wasallam कहाँ पैदा हुए थे? So students, you can see the answer in very first line. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born in Makkah. Our second question is, who brought him up? उनकी परवरिश किसने की थी? Students, I have done the question number 1 for you, and you have to do the remaining 4 questions by yourself. The answer is, his grandfather brought him up. Question number 3, what was his father's name? Its answer is, his father's name was Abdullah. Question number 4, what was the name of his sallallahu alaihi wasallam's wife? The answer is The wife of his wife's name was Hazrat Khadija Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha. What did he say when he was 40 years of age? उन्होंने क्या कहा था जब वो 40 साल के थे? He said, उन्होंने कहा, I am a prophet, listen to my words carefully. मैं एक पैगंबर हूँ, मेरी बात गौर से सुनो. God is one, worship him. अल्लाह एक है, इसकी इबादत करो. स्टूडेंट्स, आपको पता चल गया होगा कि इन क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स जो हैं वो कहाँ पर मौजूद हैं. रीड द पैराग्राफ केयरफुली एंड फाइंड आउट योर आंसर्स. नाउ वी विल मूव टू अवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, that is creative writing. Students, creative writing enhance your creativity. In a creative writing, you can share your knowledge, you can share your information. Your thinking and observation is also a source of your information. Now we will move to our topic for creative writing. That is a picnic. As you can see in the picture, a family is having a picture. So our topic is a picnic party. We have given some points here like venue, timing, by car, eatables, swimming, playing, enjoyment, play and memory. Students, we would create a paragraph by using these words into sentences. First of all, we will discuss venue, timing and by car. Last Sunday we went on a picnic. We decided to go to the river bank. We took some eatables with us. Students, I have written a couple of lines for you, and now I will discuss the remaining points with you, and you have to write the sentences using these words like swimming and playing, enjoyment and pleasant memory. First of all, you would write, we reached there in taxi or car. We put all the things under a tree. Then swimming, we jumped into the river and enjoyed swimming. We came out and ate fruits and sweets. Then playing. After this, we played different games. In the evening, we came back home. And enjoyment and pleasant memory mein you can make the sentences like, it was the happiest day of my life. I enjoyed a lot. Yeah, it was a pleasant memory of my life. So students, that was your creative writing. Complete your creative writing using these words into sentences. इसके साथ ही हमारा आज का लेक्चर ख़त्म होता है. स्टूडेंट्स, अल्लाह हाफिज़. स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ.